Hey, have you ever heard of project planning?
Yes, I have. It's a critical aspect of any project.
Definitely. Did you know that project planning involves 7 elements?
Yes, I did. They are scope, time, cost, quality, human resources, communication, and risk management.
That's impressive. What is the purpose of project planning?
The purpose of project planning is to define the project's objectives, scope, and deliverables, and create a roadmap to achieve them within the given constraints.
Who defines the project plan?
The project manager is responsible for defining and creating the project plan. It's an essential document that outlines the project's scope, timeline, budget, and resources.
What is in a project plan?
A project plan includes the project's objectives, scope, deliverables, timeline, budget, resources, communication plan, and risk management plan.
What makes a good project plan?
A good project plan is comprehensive, realistic, and achievable within the given constraints. It should also be flexible enough to accommodate changes and unforeseen events.
That's great to know. I'll make sure to keep these elements in mind when planning my next project.
That's fantastic! Project planning is a crucial step that can make or break a project's success.